Okay, so you've probably seen plenty of information on social media about the Sleepy Girl mocktail. And yes, that drink is all the rage, but we have 6 alternatives that are great for sleep, including what we think is a better version of that mocktail. Let's get to mixing. Okay, first up is the Dreamy Chamomile Bliss. Chamomile is a wonderful bedtime tea to help you calm and relax, and studies show it has some sedative effects. So for this one, you'll need brewed chamomile tea cooled overnight, honey, lemon juice, sparkling water, and ice cubes. So first you'll add a bag of chamomile tea to about 3/4 cup of cold water, let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. When it's ready, you'll pour your brewed tea into a shaker. Add a spoonful of honey. I'm just gonna measure with my heart. Perfect. Next up, add a dash of lemon juice. Dash. All right, next, shake well. Be careful, don't make a mess. Now you'll pour this into a glass filled with ice. Leave a little bit of room because next up you'll be topping it with some sparkling water. We will stir this a little bit. And if you are really fancy, you can top this with some chamomile flowers. I left mine at home, but it tastes just as good without. And then try it. This is really good. Another great stress-reducing plant is lavender, which studies show reduces stress, and honestly, just the scent is relaxing. So this is our Lavender Lullaby mocktail. So you will start with 1 tablespoon of lavender syrup, and then you'll add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now you will want to do kind of a 1-to-1 mixture here to dilute that lavender syrup because it is pretty strong. This one in particular has apple cider vinegar, so it is pungent. Then you'll take this mixture, top it with some ice cubes, finish off with some sparkling water. And now I'm gonna stir this, get this mixture going a little bit, and then you just enjoy. That's really good. Next up is our favorite twist on that classic idea of drinking a cup of warm milk before bed. This is golden milk. Now, milk by itself isn't going to do a ton to help you sleep at night, but if you supercharge it with some sleep-enhancing ingredients, now we're talking. Start by pouring 1 cup of milk or milk alternative into a mug. Next, you will add a teaspoon of ground turmeric. This will help reduce inflammation. Then you'll add a pinch of ground cinnamon and a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper will activate the turmeric, fun fact. I almost poured that black pepper in. We would have to start over. Just a pinch. And then you'll add about a half teaspoon of honey or whatever you wanna do. Whatever you wanna do with your honey is your business. Next, you will mix together all of the ingredients. It's a thick mixture with that honey. Next, you'll warm this in the microwave, or you can also simmer this on the stove. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes so those flavors can really get to know one another. Pour it into a cup and enjoy. Given the blend of spices in this milk, you get a drink that helps induce sleepiness, it can fight inflammation, and in general promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. Another vitamin that is really good for your sleep is vitamin C. This can help boost deep sleep, which is essential for memory consolidation and recall. So this is our Soothing Citrus Serenade, and my personal favorite on this list. You will start by grabbing a cocktail shaker and your mint leaves. Now, if you didn't know this, to get the flavors to come out of the mint, you clap your hands, the mint between, kind of roll it around a little bit. This will release the scent and those flavors. Place it in the cocktail shaker. Then you will want to add 3 ounces of orange juice. A little measure here. It's beautiful. Alrighty, the handy dandy. Oh, now we're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice. All right, 1 ounce lemon juice. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Make sure you're only doing 1 teaspoon because this can get a little intense. Now, I'm not using a shaker because I'm going to then add half a cup of ginger beer or ginger ale. If you use a shaker, it will explode. Now, this is optional. You could do 1 ounce of simple syrup to sweeten it up. If you don't want to add that additional sugar, totally fine. This will still be amazing. That sounded like 1 ounce. So then I'll stir it all up. Yum, yum, yum. And then strain this over a glass of ice. You can also garnish this with some mint leaves or orange slices. Oh, that's cute. I already know this is delicious, so I'm gonna drink it. Cheers. Yeah. Okay, now for a fun little twist. This recipe is from our good friend, Dr. Michael Bruce, and it's his banana tea recipe. The reason why this is so effective is because bananas are loaded with magnesium, and magnesium is one of those great minerals that can calm your nervous system and help put you into a state of relaxation. You'll start by taking a banana and thoroughly wash the outside. Then cut the ends off of the banana, then cut it in half, keeping the fruit in the peel. Boil the banana pieces in 3 cups of water for 3 to 5 minutes or until the banana begins to turn brown. Strain out the banana pieces and pour the banana-infused water into a mug. You have yourself a magnesium-rich tea that is great for winding down at night. Okay, we promised an alternative to the Sleepy Girl mocktail. That drink usually blends magnesium, tart cherry juice, and a prebiotic soda. And look, that soda isn't great for settling your stomach at night, but tart cherries are a great start since they're a great source of melatonin. So here's what we think is a better twist. We call it our Tart Cherry Twilight. So you will start by stirring 2 tablespoons of hot water and 1 tablespoon of honey. That hot water is to dissolve that honey so we can add a little sweetness to our drink. Mix that in a cocktail shaker. And you want to do this until the honey dissolves. So if you need to stir it up, that's a perfect way to do that. Next, we will add a few sage leaves and we're going to muddle those. You can use the handle of a wooden spoon, but this is a muddler. I think you're supposed to do it like that. I don't really know. I want to do this so the flavors in the sage will come out. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of tart cherry juice. That's where the magic happens. A little dash of lime juice. How cute. And then you will fill this with ice, cover and shake. Shake this for about 15 seconds. What we're looking for is for the glass, the shaker to frost. Mix it all up. It's a good ab workout. Okay, strain this. Whoa. Gonna add some sparkling water. Garnish with a little bit of sage, make it cute. You could do a lime wedge. Throw that in there. There's yours. Here's mine. Cheers. Well, there you have it, our 6 favorite sleep-enhancing mocktails. Let us know in the comments, what mocktails do you like to drink before bed? Now, these mocktails are only one way to get some great sleep-friendly vitamins and minerals. Of course, the food we eat also makes a big difference. For some of the best foods you can eat to get better sleep, check out our video on that right here. That's it for this one, everyone. Enjoy your mocktails. Cheers.